My name is Dan Kittredge. I'm the founder and executive director of the Bionutrient Food Association, and I just discussed the topic of nutrient density, which is the variation of nutrient levels between this carrot and that carrot, between this steak and that steak, this apple and that apple. There's a dramatic nutrient variation in food, which connects to flavor. It connects to soil health. It connects to human health. It connects to farm viability. And the idea basically is that we have been building and sort of modeling this concept that you can, at the point of purchase, your grocery store or farmer's market, either when we're done, it'll be in your smartphone, but between now and then it's a separate meter, flash a light at this carrot, that carrot, and that carrot, and choose which one's most nutritious, or this apple, or this steak. So effectively, there's dramatic variation in nutrient levels in food that connects to flavor, aroma, human health, and soil health. And through enlightened self-interest, through empowering people to choose what's best for themselves and their families, we can reverse climate change and chronic disease. To accomplish this, we need to accomplish the research. This is a project being done in the Commons as a nonprofit for the greatest good. We're not a company. So those who are interested should come to our website and support the organization. It's bionutrient.org.